Dwaro mar Kenya mar loso teko maler atamalo 100 medo yudo jip kokalo omenda maromo bilion 6 kowuok e piny mar Jerman ma idhi tim e kambi ma Olkaria madhi bedo maduong' pachoka kendo geno ni odhi rumo e dweche 28. Chancellor mar piny Jerman Olaf Scholz mane olimo kambino opoyo Kenya kuom cholo teko maler mowacho ni beche yot. Jatend migawo mar teko Davis Chichir omedo ni loso teko maler sani ni atamalo 92 ka igeno chopo atamalo 100 e higni matin mabiro.
Have entered a climate and development partnership, support Kenya in reaching 100% renewable energy supplies, and also support the country's adaptation to climate change. I'm glad that we will continue our support by providing financing for an upgrade of the turbines of Olkaria. Geothermal power is an excellent basis for green hydrogen production that could be used for the local production of fertilizers. This will allow Kenya to establish new value chains and lead by example.
With Kenya sitting at 92% today of geothermal, and with a capacity, undeveloped capacity of about 9 gigawatts, we can walk the journey together towards the new frontier of green hydrogen, maybe green ammonia, green fertilizer, green jobs, and those opportunities do exist because we sit in the ring of fire. The 9 gigawatts which we have not developed today is already, the ground service studies have been done, and we can continue to work together to actualize what we need to do together to secure this planet Earth, given the challenges of climate change today.